Yo, what up YouTube? My name is Ulysses, and today we're gonna be making for my brand a hoodie, shorts, and a shirt. So in this video I will take you into the progress of making it with today with well, the only thing I use is heat transfer. So I use my Cricut machine to create the designs, and then after I use the heat press to, you know, put the design. But between that, I have to do the peeling in order to get the design out. Um, so basically, how you start off is you have an app for the Cricut, and you gotta connect to the Cricut, your Cricut machine, and so you send the design that you want. I already have the design set because I worked on it multiple times, and so you send the design to the Cricut machine, and you have to load it up with one of these right here. These are standard grip boards. This is what I use. I mean, there's different kinds, but you know, this is for me. Um, you could get them in different sizes as well. You get half of this. This is a 24 length down, but you could get a 12. This is a 12. This is a 24. But I prefer to use this because I have multiple orders and I could just, you know, stack it. One order right here, another design here, another design down here. So just makes it more easier for the machine as well, and save me more paper. That's a big thing with vinyl. You might end up having to lose a lot of the paper, even though there's like a lot of space. Depending on your design, you know, my designs mainly, sometimes, rarely, they fill the whole thing, but on most cases, they just fill like half, and then down here, like this whole right corner, left corner is like, no, right corner, yeah, is all empty. So enough of that. We're gonna show you right now with the board how I loaded it up, and then so I have the board down, and now I'm gonna have to pull out the vinyl paper. And today we're using white. Also, we need some tools. So we're just gonna use the scissors and another one. There you go. So this what causes it to, you know, for no bubble to pop out. So the app told me the length of the design would be 14 for the hoodie. So yeah. So there you go, 14. We're here. And now we're gonna cut it from the other side and a straight line, hopefully. Go up to the there you go. So now we're gonna do this. Make sure it's all flat and stuff. And there you go. So now we're gonna throw it on the Cricut board. So this is my Cricut machine right here, and it's telling me to load it up. Also, I have the setting to Iron Plus. So let's load this up. So you have to put it under these two, I don't know what they're called, but just so it doesn't go over on top, it has to go under. And once you put it against this, you have to press the button and it will roll it in. And now, since I already sent the design to the device, this light's gonna be flashing. So once I click it, it's gonna start, you know, making it. And let's do it. Alright, so we just got finished with the design, and so it's all right here. You can't see it since it's white paper, but you know, if you come up closer, you could see it. So what I want to do is cut around the design first, just so you don't have to do that extra work of pinning nothing. And there you go. So that's one big design, and then other two are right here. So I think we're just gonna stick to the one hoodie, because I believe we are running out of time with the recording. So we might just stick to the hoodie. But to start off, I have my first design right here. And I like to peel it always on the left side corner and just bring it all the way down. But this is a bit more complicated since, you know, it's round and not squared. So just peeling and peeling. So I think I just split it in half and just go all around on one side. But yeah, so this hoodie is it's the November one. It's a gray hoodie. And it only has two designs on the outside, and then of course you want to make the design of the size. So I have the design. It's like a label that we put on the back of the hoodie. It's not too much. And there you go. So now we gotta peel the inside of the design. So for instance, the B, R, A, because if you don't peel them out, they're not gonna. I mean, you have the choice to peel it out if not, but you know, for me, I want to peel it so they know what's it saying. And then we're peeling everything in the circle so the design can come out as well. Oops. So we're done with the top and the middle, and then we come down here. Oh, actually we're done. Yeah, so this is the finished progress right here. So it's Bear Bulk Fitness. This will go on the back of the hoodie. So we're gonna put this on the side for later. And now we're gonna start with the size, which is a small. The Cricut sometimes has trouble cutting small letters. So what would happen was it will cut it out, but when you peel it, it will sometimes peel with the paper you're peeling. Or if not, like, it's very unreadable. So now we're peeling inside the letters. I gotta know it says Bear Bulk. So like Bear Bulk and small. So that's gonna go inside of the hoodie. And then now We're gonna peel this. This will go in front of the hoodie. So the hoodie I'm going to make was released last year in November. A part of my cozy fall clothing collection. So if you want to check it out. So we're done with that side. Now we gotta peel the bear, the inside of the bear. Boom. Teeth. Yeah, so with the Cricut, pretty reliable. Just like I said, on the smaller designs would be a bit hard to peel off, or for the device, the machine to recognize. So sometimes they won't even cut it out. I think we should be done here. Yeah. So let's bare bulk in cursive. So this will go in the front of the hoodie. So let's start heat pressing it now. Yo, what up? So after all that peeling, for the design, we turn on the heat press and let it heat up. So I already did that, but now we're going to grab our gray hoodie, which I said earlier, and place it. So we're gonna start with the front design and have it all set up. And so what I do first is you gotta let it preheat 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we grab our design. Just stuck. So there's our design right here, correct? And then I like to measure 5 fingers down and line it up straight down. Just a little bit more that way. There you go. So looks pretty good. And then now we heat press it for 15 seconds on 310 Fahrenheit. So yeah, the process is not that long. It depends on how many designs you have and how difficult it is to peel it off. So we press down to stop the timer and we push it up and we let it sit until it's like, good to peel. Like cold, that's what I'm trying to say. So then it looks good. Nice. Now we're on to the next one, which would go on the far back. And so I do this vertical since the design is kind of the height is longer than the width, and if you put it on the vertical, it's longer than this. So also right here I like to measure from the back of the hoodie 5 fingers, but we need to heat press it before we put the design on. So 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we spin it around. We pull out our design. Oh, there's the other one. So boom. Also, you gotta make sure that there's no mistakes, because once you put it on, it's over. Like, you can't take it off. Well, depending on how good your material is, you know, your tools. So this looks straight and 5 fingers down. So we're gonna heat press this for another 15. So yeah, like I was saying, like if you heat press it and there's a mistake on there, it'll be so difficult to take it off. Unless you buy a liquid from Amazon that they provide for the HTV. It's just search up HTV removal, and well, I think it would work, but you know, I haven't bought it myself, and I might in the future. So this design is pretty big, and you know, I'm used to the heat, so I just peel it right away. But at the same time, it's risky because some of the designs would not even be heat pressed on, so you would peel the design with the paper, with this. So we just go slowly and look through it. If none of it's pulling, yeah, it's all heat pressed on. And there you go. That's the back of the hoodie. See, this corner did not peel. I mean, heat press. So we're just gonna do a little preheat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. So that should be ready to go. Now we're gonna end up doing the size for the hoodie. The size label. So I had to put it inside and out, and also had to peel this tag, which I can't let you guys know about, where I buy my, you know, merch, my clothing. So then this should be the correct spot to put the label at. Also, you want to pull these two out, because it's just gonna cause it to not, you want it as flat as possible, that's what I'm saying. So then we come around and preheat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then now we're gonna throw this on here, and for another 15 seconds. Boom. And we should be done with this hoodie now. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it off since I won't have any designs ready for the next one yet. But I'll check right now if we could make another. There you go, all peeled out, fresh. Okay, so yeah, we have to end the video here because, like I said, I'm not verified and I have a limit of recording and uploading. But this is the final result. So in front we got the design, and then on the back we have the big logo as well, and then in the inside we have the size. You can see that. So yeah, if you guys want to see more, I will be creating more designs, including different clothing like black shirts. This is a polyester shirt that we'll create in a bit, and some shorts that I also make. Um, yeah. So do me the favor and like, subscribe, and I will be continuing this um, creating my brand. So also I will leave the link in the description. So thank you for watching, and